In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen, PowerPoint, and video on Zoom. We'll walk through the most common sharing options in Zoom so you can present clearly and make sure your audience sees and hears exactly what you want them to. This is especially useful for meetings, training sessions, online classes, or any presentation where visuals matter. To begin, open the Zoom app and either start a meeting or join one. Once you're inside the meeting window, look at the toolbar along the bottom and click Share Screen. If you want to share everything on your computer, choose Screen. This option shows your full desktop, so participants will be able to see anything you display there. After selecting it, click Share. Your screen is now visible to everyone in the meeting. When you're done, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click Stop Share. That ends the screen sharing session right away. If you want to share a PowerPoint presentation, first open your presentation either before the meeting starts or while you're in the meeting. Then in Zoom, click Share Screen again. This time, instead of choosing your full desktop, select the PowerPoint window itself, click Share, and then start your slideshow by choosing Slideshow in PowerPoint. From there, present your slides as you normally would. When you finish the presentation, click Stop Share in Zoom. A helpful tip here is to share only the PowerPoint window instead of your entire screen because it usually gives participants a cleaner and clearer view. Now let's talk about sharing a video with sound. Before you start, open the video you want to play. In Zoom, click Share Screen and select the window that contains your video. At the bottom left of the sharing window, make sure Share Sound is turned on. This is very important because without it, participants may see the video but won't hear the audio. For smoother playback, also enable Optimize for video sharing if that option is available. Then click Share and play your video. When the video ends, pause it and click Stop Share. If your PowerPoint includes an embedded video, the process is very similar. Open your PowerPoint presentation and start your Zoom meeting. Click Share Screen, select the PowerPoint window, then turn on Share Sound. If available, also enable Optimize for video sharing. Click Share, start the slideshow, and then play the embedded video during your presentation. As it plays, make sure participants can hear the audio clearly so your presentation comes across exactly as intended.